welcome back to my channel. So in today's video you're gonna see how you can achieve bigger, fuller lips very naturally, and you just need 3 products. Yes, so without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, so the very first step is that you always apply lip balm before you start your makeup. Okay, so it's very important for your lips to get moisture and to always be hydrated. Okay, I'm applying this lip balm, this cute little lip balm. Now always make sure you're doing this to bring that blood back. Okay, make sure your lips are moisturized, hydrated. Okay, they're not dried, because if they're dried, you apply whatever kind of lipstick, it's gonna look very bad. So make sure that your lips are hydrated and moisturized. Okay, so after applying the lip balm, you can see automatically my lips are looking so much nicer and hydrated and pink already. So now after this, we're gonna apply highlighter. Just you can take it from your hands also, on your hands, and apply like this. Just make sure it's not too much. It's to highlight your lips. Very first step is to get a nice lip pencil, and you always need to apply lip liner, okay, to achieve those fuller lips. So I'm gonna go with this next one. It's a matte lip pencil. It's really nice, and it's a little pinkish nude. It's a pinkish nude. So yeah, now let's apply the lip liner. Okay, so always make sure when you're applying the lip liner, it's not, you need to go little outer corners of your lips to achieve those fuller look. See, when you're applying underneath, always make sure you're going a little down. You need to go a little outward when you're applying the lip liner. Not just don't just outline your lips, go a little outward like this. You can automatically see the difference. And lip liners are very important. क्योंकि आप जब लिप लाइन करते हो, you have a base for your lipstick, and yeah, it's really a nice thing. Okay, so don't go so overboard with lining of your lips that it looks very unnatural, because obviously people can make out that you have done so much with the lining thing. Okay, now fill your lips with the liner, which is again very important. Done with the lining, the second step is for lipstick. So we can apply the very famous, the MAC one. This is the MAC Meher. So it's a very nice pink shade. It goes with every Indian skin tone. It's really nice. So okay, now apply your lipstick upon your lip or liner. Okay, so we are done with the lipstick. As you can see, it's already looks so much fuller. And the last step we're going to do is applying a lip gloss, which is very important to give that very glossy feeling and the natural pout, you know. So we're gonna go with this Victoria's Secret's lip gloss, which is again one of my favorites. done. Isn't it so simple to have a fuller, bigger lips very naturally? Yeah, you just need 3 products of makeup, which I guess everyone have already. Yeah, and you can achieve this look. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you liked it, and yeah, it was useful for you in some ways. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I upload video every week. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Till then, bye.